This video would enable you to make a security system for your home using an ultrasonic sensor and also learn more about the ultrasonic sensor. So let us see how to make this Arduino project. To make this Arduino project, you would need an Arduino Uno, a breadboard, an ultrasonic sensor, few LEDs, a piezo buzzer, a 1K resistor, and some jumper wires. To make this Arduino project work, a few connections have to be made. So let us look into the screen and make these connections using a few jumper wires and a 1K resistor. So this is the Arduino code for the project that enables you to create a security system for your homes using an ultrasonic sensor and a few other items. So let me quickly explain the code. So first here we define the trigger and echo pins of the ultrasonic sensor. Next we define the LED and the buzzer pins to the Arduino Uno. Next we give the initial duration and initial distance to the Arduino. Next we go to the void setup where we have given the code for the trigger, echo pin and the other LEDs and the buzzer as outputs. Here echo is input as the ultrasonic sensor has to transmit and receive data. So there's another video of the ultrasonic sensor about how it works. So I'm sharing the link of the video in the description. So next we give the code for serial.begin, which is for the serial monitor to begin. So 9600 is the baud rate in this case. Next we go on to the void loop or the main code, where we first set up the ultrasonic sensor to receive the distance by giving the formula, and next we serial print the distance in the serial monitor. So here let me explain the project quickly before going on to the working of the project. So here we have given the code that if the distance is less than 5 cm, then the red LED glows, or else the red LED does not glow. Similarly, when the distance is less than 10 cm and more than 5 cm, the yellow LED glows. And when the distance is less than 20 cm but more than 10 cm, the green LED glows. So in this case, the buzzer buzzes only in the first case, which is if the distance is less than 5 cm. So in this case, the red LED would glow and the buzzer would beep. And similarly, when the buzzer is beeping, in that case there would be another message in the serial monitor which shows warning. So here in this case it would show about why the warning signal has come, or the buzzer is buzzing. It's because the obstacle has come very close to the ultrasonic sensor. So these distances can be altered according to your priority. So here we have given given the code for printing the distance and the warning in the serial monitor. You could also install a Bluetooth app in your Android device, connect a Bluetooth LC05 module, and you'd be able to get instant updates on your app as well. So I would also give the connections of the Bluetooth module, the HC051, in the link in the description. So this is a very basic code and would help you create many more security systems using the ultrasonic sensor and learn more about ultrasonic sensors as well. So now let us verify the code. So now as the code has been verified, let us upload our code to our Arduino code. So now let us upload our code once again. Yeah, so now as we have successfully uploaded our code to our Arduino board, let us see how this project works by giving the power supply and all those stuff. So now let us see how this project works. So first let us give the power supply to our Arduino. So now as the power supply has been given, let us use our Rubik's Cube as the obstacle. So here's the Rubik's Cube. So when we move the Rubik's Cube closer to the ultrasonic sensor, you'd be able to observe that the green LED glows at a certain point of time. Yeah, now we are able to see the green LED glowing. So if we move it more closer, we can see the yellow LED glowing, and move it more closer, we can see the red LED glowing and the buzzer also buzzing. So this is the project that we have made using Arduino. So let us see how this project works in the serial monitor. So now, as we have seen how the project works physically, let us check onto the serial monitor on how it displays the distance and the warning sign. So first we have to open the serial monitor, which is on the right top end of the screen of the Arduino IDE. So if you click that, and if you click that, you'll be able to see the distance being printed. So if the distance is less than 5 centimeter, then a warning button or a warning text would be printed. So let us see. So the distance is less than 5 and the warning button comes in. And if I move it away, it's 17 and the warning button goes off. So this is how the serial monitor works and how the project works along with the serial monitor. So if you try it along, you'd be able to see how the serial monitor displays the distance as well as how the LED lights and the buzzer works. So it's a very successful project as of now. So if you've learned something new today, please like, share and subscribe to this channel and hit the red notification bell to get notifications on the videos that I upload. And thanks for watching.